Hi guys, welcome back. I am coming at you with a ridiculously delicious and easy meal. It is cheesy scalloped potatoes. It's gonna change your life. It's like a cross between mac and cheese and scalloped potatoes, or potato gratin, whatever you call it wherever you're from, but I used to love having scalloped potatoes when I was younger with like a creamy kind of bechamel sauce. No! Scalloped potatoes is something I really enjoyed as a child. I was a very fussy eater, hence fussy veggie. I was a very fussy eater. There were lots of vegetables I would not touch. So give me a big casserole full of potatoes and I am a happy gal. The sauce is super easy to make. You just have to throw a bunch of stuff in a blender, blitz it up and slice up your potatoes. You don't need to use a mandolin, you don't need to go out and buy a mandolin, but you can get them cheap if you do want one. It makes things a lot faster and makes each slice of potato perfectly even. So let's get started. I'm going to show you exactly how I make it and then you're going to go make it exactly how I make it. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is cook some potato and carrot, and then you're going to pop that in your blender along with some of the reserved cooking water. And then you're going to add half a cup of plant milk if your blender has room for that. Mine doesn't, so I'm adding a quarter cup. And then you're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, some tamari, and some Dijon mustard. Then you're going to add some nutritional yeast, and I'm using pink Himalayan salt here and dried thyme, but you can use whatever herb you prefer, and a generous pinch of black pepper. And then you're just going to blend that until it is totally smooth. If your blender cup is small like mine, then add the remaining quarter cup of milk into your sauce and give it a mix through. Then you're going to grab your baking dish and you're going to layer potatoes, cheese sauce, potatoes, cheese sauce, potatoes, cheese sauce, potatoes, cheese sauce, until you either run out of potatoes or cheese sauce or room in your baking dish. And then for the final layer, I decided to top mine with a little bit of extra cheese. I've just used some pre-bought vegan cheese, that's optional, and some black pepper. And then you're gonna pop it in the oven for 30 minutes, and then you're gonna grill it for 10 to get that nice golden top. And as you can see, I'm portioning mine into 6, but if you want it to be more generous portions, you can definitely portion it into 4s. And I just topped it with some chives to give it a little extra flavor. And that is how easy it is to make these cheesy scalloped potatoes. I really hope you guys love this recipe. Let me know if you try it out. If you do make it, tag me on Instagram at Fussy Veggie Guide. It makes me so happy when you guys like remake any recipe of mine and I can see your creations and I'm just makes my heart happy, you know? So that's everything for today. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like, comment, whatever your heart desires. I appreciate it all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!